Are you tired of feeling disrespected by the women in your life? Do you want to know why your woman doesn't respect you and how to change that? Well, you're in the right place. What we're discussing here is how to gain a woman's respect in a healthy and positive way. But admire you, it's time to rise to reclaim your power and to make women see the strong, dominant force that you truly are. Brace yourself, because things are about to change, and it starts right here, right now. Number 1. Respect yourself. One of the most effective ways to make women respect you is to show her that you respect yourself. People who respect themselves won't do something that leads to disrespect from others. Self-respect is very important if you want others to respect you. But many men fail to realize what it is and end up pulling it out of their personality. This weakens their presence. Women find it difficult to even see them. You become a man when you respect yourself, and this means being honest with yourself and others. Taking responsibility for working towards your future and doing something meaningful with your life. When you are happy with yourself, you feel proud and honored, and this positive energy surrounds you like a powerful force. Women will sense your power and respect you when you carry yourself with self-respect. However, if you spend your entire life faking your existence, no one will respect you. Make an impact in everything you do, and you will earn lasting respect. Remember to respect yourself first, and others will follow suit. Number 2. Stand up for what you believe in. Having courage in your conviction is not always easy. Nonetheless, men that are able to stand up for what they believe in will earn a woman's respect. At the beginning of a relationship, people tend to want to please their partner, even if it means compromising on their personal principles. This might be the way to win over a woman, but it's not how you keep her respect. Feel bold enough to say no to anything that you don't feel is right or beneficial to your relationship. It's natural to have struggled with doing this in the past, as this kind of confidence and certainty usually only comes with age and maturity. But once you draw a line, set your boundaries, and stand up for what you believe in, even if your girlfriend doesn't agree with it, she'll definitely respect you for it. Number 3. Be a good listener. Active listening is a powerful tool that can transform your relationship. It involves fully focusing on and understanding what she is saying, without interrupting or thinking about your response. By actively listening, you demonstrate that her thoughts and opinions matter to you, which earns her respect. To practice active listening, give her your undivided attention. Put away distractions such as phones or laptops and maintain eye contact. Show empathy by nodding or using affirming statements to let her know you are engaged in the conversation. Reflect on what she is saying before responding, and ask follow-up questions to gain a deeper understanding of her perspective. By actively listening, you create a space where she feels heard and understood. This fosters respect and strengthens your bond. Number 4. Increase your value. You can increase your value in countless ways, but if you want women to appreciate and respect you, you must first increase your value by understanding what women want and how they think, as well as what attracts and repels them. Women are attracted to and admire men who can lead by being a leader and taking charge of events unfolding around them, and people who know how to control their lives. And things can happen. This will earn you tons of female favor. Women prefer men who exude confidence. It also increases your value. Know that you are powerful enough to protect her from any harm. She clings to you like a lovesick puppy and won't leave your side until the end. Your passion for pursuing purpose, your gentle and calm demeanor, and your mysterious personality are factors that can increase your value. Number 5. Showing appreciation and gratitude. Everyone wants to feel appreciated and valued in a relationship. By showing your appreciation and gratitude, you not only make her feel good, but also earn her respect. Take the time to recognize and acknowledge her efforts, whether big or small. Express gratitude for the things she does for you in the relationship. It could be as simple as saying thank you or leaving a thoughtful note. When she feels appreciated, she will see that you value her contributions, which enhances respect. Furthermore, make it a habit to celebrate her achievements and strengths. Let her know how proud you are of her accomplishments. By showing appreciation and gratitude, you create a positive and uplifting environment, which deepens your connection and earns her respect. Number 6. Chase your purpose. People without purpose are worthless. Women are attracted to men who are reliable, caring, and genuine. But they appreciate them more when they have a purpose in life. Pursuing a purpose in life increases personal magnetism, and women cannot resist it. Men with a purpose don't have to chase women. They only have to pursue their goal. When you focus on your purpose, women will follow you. Don't waste your time on pointless pursuits. Instead, find your purpose and work towards it. Remember that women want a man with authority, and pursuing a purpose will help you become one. Number 7. Respect her boundaries and space. Respecting and honoring her opinions and values is vital in earning her respect. It shows that you value her autonomy and individuality. When you honor her boundaries, you demonstrate that you trust and respect her as an individual. Take the time to have open and honest conversations about boundaries. Understand her limits and preferences, and make a conscious effort to respect them. Even if you disagree with her, approach the conversation with an open mind and a willingness to understand her point of view. Avoid pressuring or coercing her into doing something she is uncomfortable with. Give her the space she needs to recharge and pursue her own interests. By respecting her boundaries and providing her with the space she needs, you create a relationship based on mutual respect and trust. Number 8. Supporting her goals and dreams. Supporting her goals and dreams is a powerful way to earn her respect and strengthen your bond. Show genuine interest in her aspirations and offer your support and encouragement. Be her biggest cheerleader and believe in her abilities. Take the time to discuss her goals and dreams. Help her develop a plan of action and offer assistance wherever possible. Be there to celebrate her successes and provide comfort during setbacks. By supporting her goals and dreams, you demonstrate that you are invested in her happiness and growth, which earns her respect. Moreover, don't forget to share your own goals and dreams with her. By creating a mutually supportive environment, you both can thrive and build a stronger relationship. Number 9. Be honest. Trust and loyalty are the pillars of a strong and healthy relationship. By building trust, you create a solid foundation for respect to flourish. To build trust, be consistent in your words and actions. Avoid making promises you can't keep and be honest and transparent. Trust is earned over time, so be patient and understanding. Demonstrate your loyalty by being faithful and committed to the relationship. Moreover, communicate openly about any concerns or insecurities. Addressing issues promptly and honestly helps build trust and loyalty in your relationship. By fostering trust and loyalty, you create a deep sense of respect and strengthen your bond. Number 10. Showing vulnerability and empathy. Another powerful strategy to earn her respect and deepen your connection is by showing vulnerability and empathy. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable and sharing your fears, insecurities, and past experiences can create a sense of intimacy and trust between you two. It shows that you trust her enough to open up and be your authentic self. Furthermore, when you show empathy towards her experiences and emotions, you demonstrate that you genuinely care about her well-being. To show vulnerability, you can start by sharing your thoughts and feelings about a certain situation or discussing your goals and dreams. It's important to create a safe space where both of you can be vulnerable without fear of judgment or criticism. By showing empathy, you can validate her emotions and provide support when she needs it the most. Remember, vulnerability and empathy are two-way streets, so encourage her to open up as well and be there for her when she does. Remember, respect is not something you demand. It's something you earn. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build. By respecting yourself, setting boundaries, being real with your words and actions, increasing your value, standing up for yourself, and avoiding neediness, you'll become the kind of man that women can't help but respect. So go ahead and put these tips into practice and watch as your relationships transform before your eyes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks.